With all that being said, the idea that my homeboy gave me. So we were thinking what we could start doing is having my subscribers go over to my Instagram and DM me a question, and I will answer it in a video each week. So you can either type out your question or you can record a video and send it to me, and I will use it in the actual video for that week. So I feel like that could be something really fun that we do, more interaction with you guys. You guys can get to know me a little bit better. And also the questions don't have to be about hair. As some of you know, I'm a video editor. I've done movies, I've done commercials, TV shows, I've done a little bit of that. And so, if you have a question about that or some type of life experience, you want me to talk about something, let me know and we can do that. I don't want to say that nothing is off limits, because there's plenty that's off limits. Of course, within reason, we got to stay appropriate. But I think that could be something that I can have fun with and also give you guys the consistency that I feel like you deserve. Let me know what you think about that. I do want to hear your opinions on it, or even if you have some type of feedback to where we can make that a little bit better, comment down below, let me know what you think. So again, I thank you so much for rocking with me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace.